Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not new here, then welcome back. My name is Shayna. Make sure you click the subscribe button and turn on the bell button so you will be notified anytime that I do post a new video. So for today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about my luxury bag collection that I'm starting out. So I don't have a lot, you know, luxury bags are very expensive, but I do want to eventually like grow my collections. I don't buy bags that I'm not gonna wear. Any bag that I buy, I'm gonna wear. So yeah, first things first, let's see, I'm gonna go with, so here we have the Louis Vuitton Speedy Monogram bag. This bag actually I got for my 16th birthday. That was 10 years ago. That was 2011. My mom got me this bag, and you know, back then I didn't really like care for luxury bags. My mom got me this, so I was like, what? Like, what am I gonna do with a luxury bag? After that, I wasn't really, you know, wearing it like that, just because I'm someone that likes to wear crossbodies, and I don't like to have things really in my hand other than my phone. So it's rare that I'll pull this out unless I'm like going somewhere nice. But this is the bag. I do have what's it called, like tissue paper, that was called. I do have that stuff in here. It's a kind of molded shape. Obviously you see how it's kind of like dented, not really dented, but you know, I don't have like a lot in here, but it still looks pretty new for 10 years. She also got this little keychain right here that says Louis Vuitton. It's a little like dull, but it's pretty cute still. I can only imagine how much this costs. But yeah, it has a little wet water stain right here, which I'm so upset about, because this bag was perfect until that happened, because I was in Puerto Rico and I was drinking some like canned drink, and it was really cold, so it was kind of like the can was kind of like sweating with water, and then the water dripped when I went to go drink it, and then it dripped on my bag, and I was like, great, right? So, but you know, I can always clean that. The handles do look a little worn, but overall still a cute bag. The inside looks brand new, and this is my biggest Louis Vuitton bag. I definitely want more. I don't remember the names of a lot of them, but there's just one that I want that's like a crossbody and it's like a circle. Oh my god, I love that bag. I do want the like multicolor one, but I don't know if I want it to be like this or if I like the little like purse one. But I definitely like the bags with like the long chain, and I know you can change the like the strap. I really wish I could add a strap onto this bag, but I don't even think it would look right, to be honest with you, because of this, unless I like clicked it here or something. I don't know. I've seen people do it, but I don't know how it would look on this bag. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this correctly, but we have the Louis Vuitton Amazon crossbody monogram, which looks like this. This obviously, well, I don't know if it's obvious, but it's been worn quite a lot. This is probably like right now my favorite Louis bag, because like I said before, I love crossbodies. What I like about this, I've seen one that just has like this one like pocket, but I like the fact that it has two, because in here like I'll have like my charger, my hand sanitizer, my phone, and then like here I'll have like my card holder. Also, even though this isn't a bag, I do carry, where is it? Where did I put it? I wanted to show you guys my little like, it's not a card holder, I don't know what to call it, but where is it? I don't know where I put it, but when I find it, I'll show you guys, and if I don't find it, then so be it. But basically, it's like this little like card holder type thing. It's Louis Vuitton, and it's like an ombre pink and red, and then I put like my change in there and some cash. I really want to find it though, because like, oh, here it is. Here it is. Sorry about that. So here we go. Monogram, super cute. I really like it. So yeah, I have my change and then some cash money in here, and then yeah, the inside is red. So yeah, that would usually go in here with my card holder, because my debit card and stuff can't fit in that. And then I'll have like my headphones, my Blistex, not my Blistex, my Carmax, and like lip gloss and stuff like that. And I also seen straps that were like skinnier than this, but the reason why I like this strap is because of this part right here, because it kind of gives it like support on the shoulder. And yeah, that's this bag. So next we have the Louis Vuitton Monogram, I don't know if I'm pronouncing this correctly, Vernice Catalina Indie bag. And I love this bag. This bag is fire AF. I love the material. So it's like if water were to get on it, I can easily wipe it off. Super cute. I have it stuffed with tissue paper. And I also like how, I'm gonna try my best to like show you guys, but there's like a little like hook in here, so you can hook it right there. You got one pocket over there. And I love it. The bag is pretty spacious. This bag is so cute. And I just love the straps. Like, I just love everything about this bag. I seen this in like a lime mint kind of green color. I've also seen it in like a gold color, but I personally love like the nude because it goes with everything and it's so beautiful. Next we have the Christian Dior John Galliano Girly Flower Boston 1 Monogram Pink Canvas. So, hold up, I got a text. So, here is this bag. I don't have the disc bag for the other items, but I do have it for this one. And I wore this on my vacation for my birthday to Puerto Rico. And this bag is fire. You can't even front, this bag is fire. I love this bag. Everything about it is perfect. It's very spacious. I love the detailing, the Dior. I love that it's pink because I love pink, and I love that it's also neutral as well. So I'm just gonna open this up for you guys. The inside is pink. I love it. So this honestly holds a lot. I put my phone, my charger, my headphones, my card holder, my the other card holder that I have, the Louis Vuitton one. I also put like obviously like my lipsticks and stuff, sunglasses, like a lot fits in here. But do keep in mind, because the handle is like this and you have a lot in the bag, it can be a lot. It can be a strain. Like if you hold it like this for a while, it can kind of like hurt your hand. So try not to put too much in it. But yeah, look how beautiful it is. Super cute. And that's pretty much it for my little like designer collection. I've watched plenty of like designer bag collection videos on YouTube, and I'm like so inspired because I'm like, oh, I can't wait to grow mine. There's a bunch that I want. Like my favorite designer like bags would be Louis Vuitton. I've looked at Gucci, but like I don't really like a lot of Gucci. I don't know why, I just don't. Louis Vuitton definitely catches my attention. I don't remember all the names of the bag that I do want, but I will describe it to you. So there's this like tote bag, and it's like an ombre. It's like, it literally looks like one of my phone cases, but it's like an ombre pink. It's like that cotton candy look. It's like pink, light blue. And then it comes with like a pouch inside. That bag is hella expensive, but I want that. I want the other tote bag where it's like brown and dark brown, and like one side is like, okay, so it's monogram, but one side is like a dark brown with like the light monogram pattern, and then the other side is the opposite, and then the inside is red. Super fire. I forgot the other style bag, but it basically looks like a little like it's like a square, and it looks really like chunky, like durable, and you hold it like this, or you can have it over your shoulder, and it has like a buckle in the front. I can't remember the name of that bag, but I want that. I want that circle one I told you guys about. Well, there's a bunch of circle ones, but I actually took a picture of it when I went to California 2 years ago, and I was like, I need this bag. This is what I'm talking about. This bag right here. That bag is amazing. Like, what? There's plenty of other ones. Like there's like, I don't know if I'm saying this correctly, but the Damier one. I want that, but I want it in like the cream, like, you know, the cream color. I kind of want like the little bag like that you have on the side, like shoulder. I want a couple wallets, not a couple, maybe like 1 or 2. I say a lot, and that's all I can think of for now. I kind of want a duffel bag, but I'm not really sure yet, because when it comes to a duffel bag, obviously you want to put a lot in it, but it can be a strain holding it like this. So maybe like as a carry-on for like a flight, you know. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for tuning in as always. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you love luxury bags, love Louis Vuitton, everything that I showed you guys in this video. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok and Instagram at TheRealShayna, and also check out my eyelash website at ShaynaAponte.com/shop. Link will be right here, also in the description. And check out my lifestyle brand website at secretdirect.com/TheRealShayna, which will be right here, also in the description. I sell skincare, body care, hair care, men care. I'm trying to break. Nutrition. Bunch of nutrition products, supplements, all that good stuff. We also came out with like lip glosses too, but that's like in like the sets and stuff like that. What else? And then we also have Club Secret, which is like the travel membership, which is fuego. So if you see me traveling, it's with Club Secret. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in as always, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.